Hi, today I'm going to show you this new game that I made. It's called Run Astronaut Run. You have the maximum points you can get is 7,200. This is how you play. You have to jump on the blue. See, I got hit by it, so now I have to retry. You can get points by collecting the coins. You can jump on the balloons to make them die, like that. See, I got hit by it. At the finish line, there are a lot of points that you can get. This is by far the most difficult part. It's also very difficult to get on top of these cinnamon rolls. For this, you have to jump over it, like that. Oh my. I like to go back and just like jump onto the ceiling thing. But I got stuck into the hole, so now I have to restart. This is the end. So, like I said, there are a lot of points. But this hardest part, like I said, the maximum is 7,200, but it's very hard to get in. Thank you. Enjoy.